In March 2025, BYD made a groundbreaking announcement. The Chinese automaker revealed a new technology that could shake up the entire electric vehicle industry, already making waves worldwide. BYD is emerging as a serious competitor to Elon Musk's Tesla, and their latest move has everyone talking. The buzz centers around BYD's cutting-edge hybrid system set to launch in 2025 called the 5th generation DMI. It's a breakthrough that could outshine today's technology and transform the EV market. So, what is the 5th generation DMI hybrid system? Simply put, it's BYD's signature hybrid technology, combining both an electric motor and a petrol engine. For shorter everyday trips, the electric motor takes the lead, keeping things clean and efficient. For longer drives or when the battery runs low, the petrol engine kicks in seamlessly. The 5th generation version, launched in May 2024, is BYD's most advanced yet. When running on petrol, the system consumes only 2.9 L per 100 km, an incredibly low figure. Add in the astonishing combined range of up to 2,100 kilometers on a full tank and fully charged battery, and you've got a vehicle that can go from New York to Miami and back without stopping once for gas or charging. This is possible thanks to a dedicated 1.5L turbocharged engine paired with BYD's renowned Blade battery, known for its durability and safety. Combine that with high-performance electric motors and advanced silicon carbide power chips, and the result is a hybrid system that's efficient, powerful, and built for the future. Compared to Toyota's well-regarded hybrid systems, BYD's DMI5 pushes things further, delivering lower fuel consumption and a longer electric-only range. No wonder it's becoming a favorite, not just in China, but globally. Beyond performance, it's greener, cutting carbon emissions while making sustainable driving more practical. Now, let's talk about how BYD's 5th generation DMI is shaping the future of electric vehicles. The world is racing towards sustainability, and EVs are at the center of this transformation. But for many drivers, going fully electric still feels like a leap. Whether it's the fear of running out of charge, high upfront costs, or limited charging stations, that's where BYD's hybrid system changes the game. With its impressive 200-kilometer range, smart hybrid setup, and affordable price, the DMI makes electrified vehicles accessible to more people than ever before. One of the biggest barriers to electric vehicle adoption is range anxiety. This is especially true for drivers in regions with patchy charging infrastructure like parts of Southeast Asia, South America, or even some rural areas in Europe and Australia. BYD's hybrid system completely eliminates that worry. And speaking of affordability, the DMI isn't just about going farther. It's about making cleaner driving affordable. Fully electric cars can be pretty expensive, often tens of thousands more than petrol cars. But BYD is changing that. Their hybrids are not only greener, but also cheaper. Take the BYD CEO05 DMI, for example. In China, it starts at a competitive price, making it as affordable or even cheaper than many gasoline-powered cars. This affordability is a big deal, especially when you pair it with government incentives in places like China and Europe. Subsidies and tax breaks are really pushing more people to go green. By lowering the financial barrier, BYD is making it easier for everyday drivers to join the EV revolution. Now, hybrids like the DMI also serve as the perfect stepping stone between traditional petrol cars and fully electric vehicles. Not everyone is ready to go all in on EVs, whether it's because of cost, charging infrastructure, or simply the comfort of filling up at a gas station. The DMI bridges that gap, offering the efficiency and electric driving experience of an EVA with the reassurance of a petrol engine for those longer trips. This flexibility is absolutely key in regions where charging networks are still developing. No surprise then that BYD's hybrids are gaining traction in places like Thailand, Brazil, and Australia, where drivers want greener options, but still need practicality. In the US, surveys show many drivers actually prefer hybrids over fully electric cars. This trend is pushing companies like Toyota, Hyundai, and BYD to double down on hybrid technology. While Tesla continues to focus only on EVs, hybrids are proving especially popular in regions where charging stations are still limited. BYD's DMI system, found in models like the Seal 07 and Tang DMI, is really raising the bar. These hybrids are fast, stylish, and equipped with advanced features like Urban Navigate on autopilot, which allows for semi-autonomous city driving. Global trade also plays a role. In the United States, high tariffs are keeping Chinese-made cars like BYD's out of the market, which benefits Tesla since it still holds a strong share of electric vehicle sales. In Europe, tariffs exist too. But BYD is working around them by building factories locally. At the same time, Tesla's sales in the region have slowed, creating opportunities for other automakers to step in. In China, Tesla's second biggest market, sales dipped in early 2025, while BYD and other local brands gained ground by offering advanced features at more affordable prices. Cars like Xiaomi's SU7 sedan are even emerging as popular alternatives to Tesla's Model 3, Tesla's Model 2, Tesla's 7, like 37 market also faces challenges with its lineup. The Model Y and Model 3 have not seen major updates in years. While rivals like BYD and Hyundai are rolling out fresh designs, Tesla's promised affordable EV codenamed Redwood isn't expected until mid-2025, leaving competitors more time to expand. Tesla's focus on autonomous driving technology, such as its robo-taxi project, could also draw attention away from the need for affordable practical cars that everyday customers want. Looking ahead, Tesla finds itself at a critical inflection point, demanding swift and strategic action to reclaim its dominant market position. The path forward is fraught with difficult trade-offs, particularly between volume and profitability. Aggressively lowering prices is a clear lever to pull, making its vehicles more accessible and competitive against a growing field of rivals. However, this strategy comes at a significant cost, directly eroding the healthy profit margins that have long been the envy of the automotive industry and a key pillar of its financial strength. Product innovation is equally paramount. While the existing lineup has been revolutionary, consumer appetite for freshness is insatiable. A substantially refreshed Model Y incorporating interior upgrades, enhanced comfort features, and longer range is urgently needed to rejuvenate interest in its bestseller. Furthermore, the successful and timely launch of the promised Redwood Compact EV is not just an expansion, it's a necessity. This more affordable model has the potential to tap into a massive, previously unreachable market segment, but its timing is critical. Beyond the vehicles themselves, Tesla's global operational strategy requires acceleration. Expanding gigafactory operations in Europe, particularly in Germany, is vital to increase local production capacity, reduce delivery times, and mitigate logistical costs and complexities for its European customer base. The automotive industry is at a crossroads where consumer preference, technological capability, and environmental necessity are converging. Hybrids, particularly advanced systems like BYD's DMI, offer a compelling and practical solution for the present and the near future. They provide a tangible way to significantly reduce emissions and fuel consumption for millions of drivers who are not yet ready or able to switch to a pure electric vehicle. This makes them an essential part of the ecosystem, accelerating the overall shift away from traditional internal combustion engines. Ultimately, the real future is likely a period of sustained coexistence and competition. Battery technology will continue to improve, charging infrastructure will expand, and fully electric vehicles will become more accessible. Yet, the versatility and user-friendly nature of hybrids will ensure they remain a relevant and popular choice for a significant segment of the global market for years to come. The success of companies will hinge on their ability to understand and cater to this diverse landscape, offering a range of powertrains to meet different needs. BYD's strategy of dominating the hybrid space while also expanding its pure EV lineup exemplifies this multifaceted approach. Therefore, hybrids are not just a temporary bridge for many, they are a viable and intelligent long-term destination, proving that the journey to sustainable mobility can be achieved through multiple parallel paths. The competition between electric vehicles and hybrids is far from over, and the choices available to consumers are expanding at an unprecedented rate. This dynamic shift in the automotive landscape means that the future of transportation will likely be diverse, with different technologies coexisting to meet the varied needs of drivers across the globe. For some, a fully electric car is the perfect solution, while for others, a hybrid provides the ideal balance of efficiency, convenience, and peace of mind. BYD's continued innovation in the hybrid space demonstrates a clear understanding of these diverse consumer demands. By refining a technology that addresses practical concerns like range and infrastructure, they're not just selling cars. They're really facilitating a broader transition to more sustainable mobility. The success of their strategy is evident in their growing global presence and the increasing pressure on established industry leaders. The coming years will be crucial in determining the pace and direction of this transition. Advancements in battery technology, the expansion of charging networks, and evolving government policies will all play a significant role. However, one thing is certain: the era of a single dominant powertrain is ending. The roadmap for the future of driving is no longer a straight path, but a multi-lane highway, with hybrids like BYD's DMI proving to be a vital and powerful route forward for millions. The conversation is just beginning, and the decisions made by automakers and consumers today will shape our roads for decades to come. The EV and hybrid market in 2025 is more competitive than ever. BYD's affordable long-range hybrids, combined with traditional automakers entering the EV race, plus tariffs and shifting customer demand, are all putting pressure on Tesla. Still, Tesla has a loyal fan base, strong technology, and an early lead in the EV space. If it can focus on building affordable cars and refreshing its lineup, it can remain a major player in the global market. BYD, however, is showing that hybrids might be the bridge to the future. Whether you're driving through the city or heading out on the open road, BYD's DMI offers a powerful mix of efficiency, range, and affordability. So, what do you think?